All right, so if you're using Pika AI but feel like you're only scratching the surface, yeah, you're probably missing some powerful hidden features. In this video, I'll show you the ones you should definitely know. First, quick idea. These hidden features can save you time and seriously improve your results. One thing most people don't use is prompt refinement. Instead of rewriting everything, just tweak small parts of your prompt to improve results. Next, you can control the visual style more than you think. Use keywords like cinematic, realistic, or animated to guide the AI. You can also influence camera movement and motion by adding words like slow motion, zoom, or dynamic movement. Another useful trick is saving your best prompts so you can reuse them later. You should also generate multiple versions of the same idea and pick the one that looks best. Try quick iteration as well, make small changes, and regenerate to improve results step by step. You can also combine Pika AI with editing tools to add text, music, or effects. Make sure to optimize your videos based on the platform, like shorts, TikTok, or ads. And finally, build a simple workflow using all these features. So you can create content faster. So yeah, once you start using these hidden features, your Pika AI results will level up really fast. And uh, if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More AI tips coming soon. All right.